Okay, here's a couple of items from my latest Temu haul, and then I have 2 more items to show you after these 2. Now, they were late with their delivery, so they have credited me $5. The prices will be on the screen. The links to all these items, these 4 items I got, will be in the description box. I am not affiliated with Temu. I like their products though. All right, so let's start with this one. This is a little brooch. Isn't that stinking cute? Yarn balls, sheep yarn balls with knitting needles through them. They have the cute little feet, cute little faces. Yeah, and it's just a pin, a brooch. So you can put that on anything, put it on a bag even. Yeah, so adorbs. Okay. The next item is this one. This is like a shawl pin. I was wanting to get this before. This is an owl. They did not have this in stock before, but now they did, so I got one, and let's just put it on here. Okay. On to the next item. This next item is, I think it's called a pencil case. I'm not exactly sure. But it's also a fidget toy, and I'll show you in a second what we can do with this. An owl, of course. I had to get it because it's an owl. Okay, so it has a zipper. It's nice and thick. Lots of room in there. It's kind of a rubbery material, and you open it up, and here's a wrist strap. It says "A nice day." This is also a rubbery material, so you can hook this on the top here. Here we go. And you're wanting to crochet, you have your crochet with you, and you can have your hooks inside here, and your stitch markers, little pair of scissors, darning needle, whatever else you need when you're traveling or at home. And then we can use these as row counters. Row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. Isn't that cool? We have how many rows here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 20, 25 rows. So this one can be used for a number of things. Okay. Next item. Now, I asked you guys in a video if you know of any covers for, the aluminum crochet hooks. Because I find mine it's hard to hold on to. Sometimes it slips in my hand, like the bigger sizes. The crochet hooks I use for the smaller sizes, 6mm down, have a cover on them already. They came like that. And you'll see them in my tutorials all the time. And these bigger ones, the bigger aluminum hooks, slip in my hand. They'll slip right out of my project when I put it on the couch, and they go clang, clang, clang on the floor. So I asked you if you knew of any covers, and a lot of you had some fantastic ideas. Fantastic. Then I started thinking about those pencil pillows, they used to call them, to go on your pencils. Well, found some at Temu. This is 2. This one came 2 in a pack. These are shaped where they're thicker on one end and thinner on the other. So I put them on here like this, so this thicker part is, down on the flat part of the crochet hook. This is a 9mm. I just shoved them on, and they are on there tight. They are not gonna move when you're crocheting. So this is a game changer. I'm pretty sure it's a game changer. Let's try it on this item that I have right here that I'm working on. Okay, move these to the side. Okay, what I'm working on here is one of the blankets for the kitties. This will be probably a donation one. Or this one might be for, I think this one's going to be for Minnie actually. But I have a tutorial on this and it'll be linked above and in the description box. And here I have 3 yarns I'm holding. This is probably a 4 weight. I'm pretty sure it's a 3 weight. And this one could be a 2 weight. Or between a 3 and a 2. But anyway. So let's try this. Try it right here on camera. Okay. Oh boy. I can tell that is more comfortable. Definitely more comfortable. My hand is not sliding on here because it's like it's soft, kind of a squishy material. And these are going to stay on this hook. I may have to purchase some for my other big hooks. Oh, I'm knocking everything down. Wow, that is a game changer. Now, some of you might have mentioned these in that video in the comments section. But Temu has a lot. There's several shops on there that sell them. You can get a whole bag full. These came 2 in a package, and I just liked the shape. You know, I liked the shape of these. Bigger on one end, smaller on the other. And these are 2 shoved on there together. So this is really good. And it took a little bit to shove them on because they're tight, which is good, because I believe they're made for pencils or pens. But yeah, that is not moving anywhere. These are on there good. I'm really impressed with this purchase. And I'm impressed with you guys for being so, knowledgeable and sending me hints and ideas. I appreciate you guys so much for everything you do. Remember, this channel is all about you guys. So, yeah, I'm impressed. Like I said, the links will be all in the description box if you'd like to purchase them. I don't get anything for it. I'm not affiliated with Temu. Thank you so much, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please let me know. And also, what's coming up on the channel is I'm doing a tutorial for a one-piece body cardigan. It's a raglan style. I'm working on that tutorial. I've done quite a bit of recording for that one. And I started a baby blanket. There'd probably be a tutorial on that stitch for the baby blanket, because we have a new addition to our family. Hubby's nephew has a son, and he was just born a few days ago. Yeah, all right. So we'll see you all again soon. Thank you so much.